Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is edible cookie dough. It's delicious. You're going to start out with a stick and a half of softened butter, 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar, and a teaspoon and a half of vanilla extract. Going to mix that together. Then you're going to need 11 graham cracker sheets. I don't have a blender, so I had to do it little by little in my little Ninja. But you're going to add that to the mixture. Also going to add in a half a teaspoon of salt and 2.5 tablespoons of milk. Any kind of milk will work. And then you're going to mix that again. And then you're going to fold in 2/3 cup of mini chocolate chips. And that is all there is to it. You'll see here when I start mixing it, it has a really nice consistency. And I like that it only made about, I don't know, maybe 2 cups of batter or so. So it wasn't like a huge amount. We're going to get sick from eating it, but it's enough to like share with the family and not have like a ton of leftovers. But we ate it with graham crackers. We put apple slices in it. Any way you like it. It was really good. Definitely will be making this again. This is a recipe from a Delish cookbook that I'll also link below. And if you want to see more recipes, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.